Alright folks, in this video, I am changing out the stock mufflers on the Harley Ultra Classic to what I just got in the mail, Vance Hines Monster Ovals. Love these mufflers. My brother has these on his Street Glide and they sound fantastic. I believe they sound fantastic. Nice deep throaty sound to them. So I finally got a great deal on these off of eBay, so I bought them. What I'm going to do for the video is I'll do some before exhaust notes and after exhaust notes. And of course, taking the mufflers off and putting them on. These mufflers ain't original to this bike. They're actually 2012 Street Glide mufflers, which came off my brother's bike when he did his Monster Ovals. And I didn't like the exhaust I had when I bought this bike used, so I put those on. What we're going to do here is we're going to do the exhaust note. I'm going to run it out 6 feet. I'm going to put the voice recorder there, and then I'll let it idle and accelerate a few times. So we did an exhaust note at idle. The rev was to 3,000 the first one, and the rest of them were 4,000 revs, and then idle again. Now we're going to go ahead and take these off and put the Monster Ovals on. All right, now see if I can work this muffler out of here. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not. Well, that was easier than I thought. One thing I noticed right away is these Vance Hines mufflers, much heavier than the stock ones I took off. So it came with new clamps, and I'm going to use the new clamps. All right. Okay, take off the old hardware. Got new hardware. That slides into the back first. Comes with these nuts. Should make it easy to get up in there. Maybe. I gotta tell you, I love the look of that muffler. That is badass. All right, I'm gonna take these back out and I'm gonna use red Loctite on them. Just in case, because my other bolts, they used to slip or become loose every now and then. I think too much. All right. just gonna snug these down by hand. Now I'm gonna adjust this muffler so it's right where I want it to be, and we'll tighten it down. And make sure she's right where I want it to be. Let's go to the other side, put the other one on. Yeah, I hurt my finger. I don't know what happened to it, but I got it taped up so I don't bend it. I know somebody's gonna ask that in the comments. If this is too hard to slide through, use some silicone spray lubricant or WD-40, spray it on the inside of the rubber and it'll slide right in there. Now I'll get this muffler off. All right, if it doesn't want to come out, try a rubber hammer. Whew. Damn. Not easy. Now, get this back in there. Okay. Bracket back on. We're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to take it down the road and see what she sounds like. Exhaust has a nice deep bass sound. I'm happy with it. The only thing that I might have to do, or that I might do in the future, is upgrade the fuel controller. I am getting some popping through the exhaust, not a whole lot, There is some. So in the future, when I find a good price on a controller, we'll go ahead and upgrade that. You all, let me know what you think. Take care. Bye-bye. And like Mr. G likes to say, check out his channel below. Bye-bye.